What if the quiet phase is officially over, and DJI Avata 360 is closer than we think? For months, there was nothing. No credible leaks, no insider hints, just silence. And then suddenly, everything changed. Launch timing reports, retail packaging images, activation clips. This no longer feels like rumor territory. This feels like pre-launch momentum. Welcome back to Technology Trends. If you love the latest drone and camera leaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's break down what the latest leaks actually confirm. According to multiple insider reports, DJI is planning to launch the Avata 360 as early as March, with China expected to get the device first. That detail is important. When DJI rolls out region-first launches, it usually means production is finalized and units are ready to ship. Even more interesting, a low-resolution internal activation video recently surfaced online. It may not look impressive, but the existence of a battery activation tutorial strongly suggests that review units are already circulating. And when that happens, the official launch is usually very close. Now let's talk physical evidence. A European drone outlet reportedly shared images of what appears to be official retail packaging. Inside the interface preview, the Avata 360 shows up alongside the Avata 2. And from the comparison, the new drone looks slightly larger, meaning the sub-250G dream is probably off the table. But that trade-off might make sense. This drone is rumored to combine FPV flight with full 360-degree video capture. Reports suggest up to 8K 360 recording, which could completely change how creators shoot aerial content. Instead of worrying about framing during flight, you could capture everything and reframe later in post. Fly first, choose your angle later. That alone could make this drone extremely powerful for content creators. There's also talk of improved stabilization specifically designed for reframed 360 footage, a critical upgrade if DJI wants cinematic results instead of shaky perspectives. Transmission leaks point toward O4 class video, meaning compatibility with the DJI Goggles 3 and the latest FPV ecosystem. Some rumors even suggest real-time reframing previews in the live feed, allowing pilots to adjust perspective before landing. Battery upgrades are also expected, with a redesigned pack, improved thermal management, and flight times around 23 to 25 minutes. Impressive for a drone processing 8K 360 video in the air. So what does all this add up to? After months of silence, we suddenly have launch timing, packaging leaks, activation guides, and ecosystem confirmation. That pattern usually means one thing: we're very close. And if even half of these leaks are accurate, DJI isn't just updating the Avata line, they might be redefining immersive drone capture. Now, let's shift gears for a moment. While the Avata 360 is grabbing headlines, another device is quietly taking shape, the DJI Osmo Action 7. Unlike the drone, this one isn't about dramatic leaks. Instead, it's shaping up as a refinement-focused upgrade. Based on DJI's release pattern, the most realistic launch window is September to November 2026, with October looking like the sweet spot. Rumors suggest the Action 7 will keep a similar sensor size but introduce faster readout speeds, improved noise control, and better low-light performance. Video could reach 8K at up to 60 FPS, with 4K slow motion up to 240 FPS. But the real improvements may come from better heat management, smarter HDR processing, and more consistent performance, the kind of upgrades you only notice once you start using the camera. Pricing is expected to stay in the familiar range, likely between $349 and $429 for the standard bundle. So here's the bigger picture. The Avata 360 looks like a bold innovation aimed at redefining aerial creativity, while the Osmo Action 7 appears to be a polished evolution focused on reliability and real-world performance. One is about changing the game. The other is about perfecting it. Now I want to hear from you. Which excites you more? 8K 360 FPV flying, or a refined action camera built for everyday shooting? Let me know in the comments. This is Technology Trends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future tech leaks and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.